Truck's name and sounds. Fire truck. Fire truck. Fire trucks, also known as fire engines, are vehicles equipped with firefighting equipment and tools. They are used by fire departments to respond to fires, emergencies, and rescue operations. Fire trucks typically carry water, hoses, ladders, and other firefighting gear. Dump truck. Dump truck. Dump trucks have a hydraulic lift mechanism that allows them to tilt their cargo bed to unload materials, such as dirt, gravel, or debris. They are commonly used in construction and mining. Airport fire truck. Airport fire truck. Airport fire trucks are specially designed vehicles equipped with firefighting equipment for rapid response to aircraft fires and emergencies at airports. They carry a large amount of water, foam, or other fire suppressants. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. Garbage trucks are used for collecting and transporting waste and recyclables from residential, commercial, or industrial areas to disposal sites or recycling centers. They come in various designs, including rear loaders, front loaders, and side loaders. Flatbed truck. Flatbed truck. Flatbed trucks have a flat, open cargo bed without sides or a roof. They are used for transporting oversized, heavy, or irregularly shaped cargo that cannot fit in enclosed trailers. Logging truck. Logging truck. Logging trucks are used to transport logs and timber from forests to sawmills or other processing facilities. They often have a trailer with bump-like structures to stack and secure logs. Livestock truck. Livestock truck. Livestock trucks are designed to transport animals, such as cattle, pigs, or sheep, safely to farms, auctions, or processing facilities. They have partitions and ventilation systems to ensure animal welfare. Crane truck. Crane truck. Crane trucks combine a mobile crane with a truck chassis. They are used for lifting and moving heavy objects, equipment, or construction materials. Car carrier truck. Car carrier truck. Car carrier trucks, also known as auto transporters, are used to transport multiple vehicles simultaneously. They have specialized racks or trailers for securely holding cars. Container truck. Container truck. Container trucks are used to transport shipping containers, typically from ports to distribution centers or other destinations. They are equipped with mechanisms to secure containers. Military truck. Military truck. Military trucks are used by armed forces for various purposes, including troop transportation, cargo hauling, and equipment deployment. They are designed to handle rugged terrains and often have off-road capabilities. Water truck. Water truck. Water trucks, also called water tankers or water bowsers, carry large quantities of water. They are commonly used for dust control on construction sites, firefighting, or supplying water in remote areas. Tow truck. Tow truck. Tow trucks are used for towing vehicles that have broken down, been involved in accidents, or need to be relocated. They are equipped with a towing apparatus, such as a hook or flatbed, to move vehicles. Monster truck. Monster truck. Monster trucks are highly modified and oversized pickup trucks, designed for entertainment purposes. They are known for their large wheels and performing stunts like crushing smaller vehicles. Van truck. Van truck. Van trucks have enclosed cargo areas and are suitable for transporting goods that need protection from the weather or theft. They are widely used for delivery services and logistics. Delivery truck. Delivery truck. Delivery trucks are used for transporting goods from distribution centers or stores to customers. They come in various sizes and configurations, including vans and box trucks. Food truck. Food truck. Food trucks are mobile kitchens mounted on trucks or vans. They serve food and beverages at various locations, including street corners, festivals, and events. Mixer truck. Mixer truck. Mixer trucks, also known as concrete mixers, transport freshly mixed concrete to construction sites. They have a rotating drum to keep the concrete mixture from hardening during transit. Pickup truck. Pickup truck. Pickup trucks are versatile vehicles with an open cargo bed at the rear. They are commonly used for personal transportation, light hauling, and recreational purposes. Tank truck. Tank truck. Tank trucks, also known as tanker trucks, are designed to transport liquids or gases. They have large, cylindrical tanks to hold substances such as fuel, chemicals, milk, or water. Snow plow truck. Snowplow truck. Snowplow trucks are equipped with snowplow blades and salt spreaders. They are used to clear snow and ice from roads and highways during winter weather.